Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using LABOXD Science Kit. Activity Kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is a fascinating device that uses light and mirrors to reflect objects and creates beautiful, attractive, amazing patterns. Mirrors are used to reflect light. They are arranged in the form of a triangle. At one end of the device, the colourful objects to be reflected are placed. At the other end, the patterns can be observed. The light reflects off from all mirrors. It helps in creating the patterns. When we rotate the device, the object shifts its place and the pattern changes, which delights and entertains us. The activity packet contains a procedure sheet, a board with cuttings, and 3 mirror strips. Take some thermocol balls. Separate the parts from the yellow board. Remove the plastic cover of the mirror strip. Fix the mirror strips to the circular board. The mirror strips are now arranged in the form of equilateral triangle. Fix the second circular board on the other end. Now the kaleidoscope is ready. Put some thermocol balls or beads inside the kaleidoscope. Close the end and see through it. Observe the varieties of patterns formed inside the kaleidoscope. We can use different colourful objects inside the kaleidoscope. Beautiful, colourful and amazing, isn't it? we can enjoy watching varieties of patterns. Wow, this is really a wonderful activity. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.